Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. This is the free marketplace content for the month of July from the folks at Epic Games for Unreal Engine. And the beautiful thing about this month is the folks at Epic Games alongside with Game From Scratch have actually put this together. This month we'll be getting 5 free content and 1 permanently free content, which are awesome. This is fully packed with some amazing things that you would want to take a look at. And with that said, let's get right into it. Fluid Ninja VFX tool is a set of tools that allow you create fluids and bake these fluids into flipbooks and player materials. With the Fluid Ninja VFX set of tools, you can create stylized and realistic fire, smokes, and clouds. At the same time, if you're also thinking about making your own personalized assets directly in Unreal Engine by simply using this set of tools, yes you can. And of course you can drive the Niagara and volumetric system with fluid data. Now for those who are thinking about exploring this comes with a cool set of features and fully compatible with Unreal Engine 5, and it is just amazing to actually see that this is currently available for free for the month. This comes with a set of demo levels and 100+ use cases for both stylized and realistic VFX. There's also tools for flow map and vector field creation. There's a fluid simulator with real-time viewports and preset management. And for those who are thinking about getting started with this and you want to learn more, there is a 2-hour set of tutorials with 60+ pages of how you can get started with working with this for creating some amazing VFX and interesting fluid simulations for your games, films, or animation directly in Unreal Engine. The Insta Deform component instantly adds visual deformation capabilities to your vehicles and assets. This only takes a couple of seconds to add the Insta Deform component to your project, and from there you can simply generate event hits on your models. The deformations replicate on all clients, which simply means you can use this across different assets. You can also create morph target damages for every single hit that happens to your vehicle or your asset. And for the most part, there is also skeletal mesh support. And of course, if you've been thinking about how you can add some deformation to your model, the Instant Deform component is a beautiful one that you might want to consider taking a look at. The Point-and-Click Adventure Toolkit is a highly customizable point-and-click adventure game framework. Point-and-Click Adventure Toolkit is an extensive gameplay framework which includes all of the functionalities, tools, and UIs needed to create your own point-and-click adventure games. This toolkit has been well crafted with many easy-to-use actions and gameplay systems. You also have access to features like dialogues, interactable items and objects. There's also a huge set of other features that includes a 100% blueprint framework which can be used to drive your games. There's an advanced and fixed camera system. There's a door and cross scene section, support for 2D and 3D perspective, and a whole lot others. In terms of technical details, you'll be able to have access to 109 blueprints, and this is supported across different platforms. The turn-based RPG blueprint is a wonderful template that provides core functionalities like drag and drop blueprints on the grid, character states and skills, wave of enemy, and boss fights. Some of the skill images that you'll be working with are taken from the open game art, and at the same time, this also comes with a set of license that you might want to consider looking at. And in terms of technical details / features, this comes as a 100% blueprint. There's a grid system, a drag and drop, a camera set of movement, boss fights, attack patterns, damage system based on statistics, supportive and offensive skills, and of course the wave of enemy. So if you're a game artist and you're thinking about ways of building an RPG game specifically for Windows, then this is one template that might come in very handy. The Wild West City is a steampunk environment that contains every single thing you need to build your own flying city. The style of this environment can be considered as a semi-realistic to a hyper-realistic one, and this comes with a set of features that just simply help you organize and also optimize your scene. It's easy for you to simply create vast cities and supplement your current world. You also have access to props that allows you to create stuff from simple buckets all the way to airships. You have some set of materials that you can play with, and this is fully optimized to ensure that it simply runs smoothly on most hardware. And in terms of technical details, you have access to 44 unique meshes, 124 textures, and for texture resolution, we're looking at 2K all the way to 4K. So if you're looking at ways to create a Wild West city, or maybe a Wild West town, or a simple skyline that deals with Wild West, then you might want to take a look at the Wild West city from the folks at Sky Addons Studios. Permanently free content for this month is the Vehicle Variety Pack Volume 2. This is currently not rated, but these ships with 4 different kinds of vehicles. So for those who are thinking about getting some vehicles that are fully rigged, playable, drivable, and available for animation, then this might just be it. And in terms of technical details, you have access to 4 unique meshes, you have 5 skeletons, there's collision, there is no level of details at this point, you have access to 88 textures, and all of these are 4K. So for those who are looking for vehicles that they would like to play with, and maybe you're looking for that vehicle you can drive around your scene, then the Vehicle Variety Pack Volume 2 might just be the one for you. So this is more like it. For those who would like to take a look at all of this, I'm going to put links in the description where you can do well to check it out. And of course, a huge shout out to the folks at Epic Games for making this possible. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.